welcome back to Cooking Until the Coronavirus Stops. I'm your host, Willow, and this is my co-host, Ava.
Hello.
Today, we will be making French bread. Let's get to it.
Alright, so first to start off, we're going to take our whole packet of yeast and put it into warm water and just kind of let that dissolve into the warm water. And when we say warm, we don't mean like bath water warm, we mean just kind of like
room temperature.
Yeah. So I'm just going to kind of stir up the yeast a little bit, and the way you can tell that the yeast is activated is you can start seeing little bubbles coming up.
Okay, so we are going to put our yeast and water mixture into our large bowl.
And then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 teaspoons of salt.
And 3 cups of all-purpose flour.
Now we're going to take this all, stir it up. We mixed that for about 2-3 minutes. Now we're going to add in the remainder of the flour. So we added 3 cups of flour previously. So now we have to add in 2.5 more cups. And then we're going to stir that again. Side note, you probably saw Willow and I pour the flour into the measuring cups, so therefore it's more light. If you were to like scoop it out, it's going to be more compressed. So we probably are going to have a more runnier dough. But really, I mean, making bread isn't an exact science. So I mean, if you feel like your dough is too liquidy, add in more flour. All right, so our dough is coming away from the sides. There's no loose flour or anything. It's all mixed up. It's starting to like kind of become a more solid mass. So now we're going to knead the dough. Basically what we did is we took the dough out of here, punched it down really well, then we rolled it into nice baguettes. Then we took saran wrap and we spray oiled it, and we put that on top of the baguettes.
And we're gonna let it sit for 30 more minutes. We preheated the oven to 400.
Yes.
So our bread has risen for 30 minutes. Now it's time to put it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. So we are going to put our slats in our bread.